in. That's why it's a little more. I put these in the MLS to get them recirculated on the ones I had finished, and I lowered them $1,000 for the weekend sale. If you notice, I put $383.9, so they get recirculated. And I told Lindsay to do the same on hers here, and so we'll get some activity.
That's great.
Yeah,
Thank you.
You're welcome. No problem. If you have any questions, give me a holler.
Thanks.
But also, we're a 10-year structural warranty. We give that to the customers too.
Oh, perfect.
1-year builder warranty, and it's completely custom. Even the built-in shelving, every pantry, linen
Well, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
countertop.
Front door entrance into the living room. Over to the left appears to be the master. Double sink vanity, garden tub, shower, closets, water closet with built-in. Full bath. Guest bedroom, closet, nice screened in patio, kitchen, laundry room, 2-car garage. You have the woods in the backyard. Looks like the piers a rec room. Closet. Could be a bedroom with the half bath. Nice built-ins. Then up to the rest of the bedrooms. With the attic access. Jack and Jill bath. Nice walk-in closet. And 4th bedroom. Nice fireplace with gas logs. Covered, screened-in porch. They're getting ready to put the landscaping in on a corner, and the property goes back into the trees.